How to add items to Wix website. So by items, we are actually talking about products that we will display into our actual Wix. So in order to display those products, let's head over and click onto this plus icon right here in order to add an element. So it will open your elements right there. So from in there, you can click onto the search and can proceed to search for products option. We have in here this section as well as grid product library, related products, as well as sliders. So you can proceed to search for those things that you need and you can see those right there. We have in here what that will look like. So for this case, you can head over and then just choose which one you want to add. For this case, I'll just choose the slider product gallery and then just drag and drop it right around here. Now, once it's been attached, you should be able to see it all together in here. Don't worry because it will take some time for this to actually load since it is actually kind of big. So here it is right here. So that's how you add items to Wix website. Hope we helped.